Sandbox against BTC. Sandbox against BTC. Yeah, so we were anticipating the possibility of the Sandbox completing and inverse head and shoulders kind of a chart pattern, right? Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, boom, we continue higher for Sandbox against BTC. This is what we were expecting. And moreover, Sandbox is still above the skinny pink line. Right, so as long as we are above the skinny pink line, we remain bias bullish. We respect the trend. So while the trend is still bullish, we remain bias bullish for Sandbox against BTC. Right, even though, yes sir, we actually got a descending triangle over here. Even though we fell over, we have already risen back up. And it feels to me like we're already completing the head. And we get a right shoulder. That's it. Sayonara bitches. We rise higher for Sandbox against BTC. We will derive the targets when the time comes. Only after we see the chart pattern like maybe 80-90% of the way complete, then we'll have chart patterns for it. Or maybe after it has already broken out, we'll have chart patterns for it. But not until you don't count your chicks before they hatch. Never count your chicks before they hatch. So yeah, we're anticipating a higher high actually, and then this will be a double bearish divergence, right? Lower high on the MACD, lower high on the RSI, but a higher high on the price. Pump, we collapse lower. That's what we're expecting for Sandbox. So the next move that we're expecting is a rally to new all-time highs. Sandbox against USDT. Same freaking thing. We've already risen back above the resistance line, right? For Sandbox against USDT, we actually have target number 2 over here, and we were expecting things to hit. We were expecting target number 2 to hit first before seeing some sort of a rally back up for Sandbox, but we did not hit the target, and so that's it. We continue rallying higher. We've already risen back above the support line, and so this target is largely invalidated. So Sandbox is already invalidating the descending triangle, right? You can see that this is a descending triangle. We broke the support, hit target number 1, but we failed to hit target number 2, and after that we started a rally back up, right? And so you could see that this rally is becoming an inverse head and shoulders, a slanted one. I don't really like slanted inverse head and shoulders, but we'll take what we get. And so yeah, it is looking very similar to Sand BTC. Whenever you see a bullish rally coming in for a particular coin against USDT, you have to look at the BTC pair as well, because you want to know whether if this is a rally due to BTC rising or if this is a real, true, strong rally by Sandbox on its own. So apparently this is a real, true rally by Sandbox on its own, right? So this is true strength coming in for Sandbox, and so you can actually anticipate a potential higher high, right? And if we do get that, it's going to be a double bearish divergence, which is not good, which means that we are anticipating a reversal of sorts. We might get something like that. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, head lower. But at the same time, we could rally to new highs, and we could still consolidate and head higher, right? The thing is, we do not know what's going to happen here first. So the likelihood of a higher high is there, yeah, because again, the momentum has switched bullish. How many percent have we risen? Yeah, we've already risen 85%. We've already risen 85%. We're already above the support line, and yeah, more likely than not, more upside is to be expected for Sandbox. All right, I guess that's it for today's Crypto TA. I hope you enjoyed it. I shall see you in the next stream. It'll probably be tomorrow. Let's check out the comments. Hey Renat, what's up? Skinny pick line power. Hey Bush, either to the moon. Miro says, hi Skinny, finally caught ya. Hey, welcome Miro. Mark says, Skinny, been missing you. Happy to see you. Happy to see you too, Mark. Happy to see you guys. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Have a great day. Ta-da!